Okay, Jeff Grubb, Games Beat. This is a Studio Ghibli experience sort of thing. The developers of Windlands and Crystal Rift, I believe are what the games are called, has kind of put together this sort of simulation of being inside a Studio Ghibli movie. And I'm in there right now. And I'm looking around, and there is Howl's Moving Castle right there. So this is just a like the small starting space. I can walk around in here. Hopefully I don't lose track of the camera. I can just walk around in this space. But for the most part, and it's kind of let me know where the center is. And I'm sorry if you're seeing a little flickering like state thing there. Let me check. Yeah, it's still happening. There's another way to record this, but it kind of cuts off a lot of the view, or like kind of makes it look funky. So I'm going to stick with this, and we'll see if we can't deal with that state thing flickering for some reason. And the music is getting loud now, so I think hopefully you guys can hear that. The audio is always a pain in the ass to record in VR. So I'm going to turn down a little bit. And now let's go ahead and just kind of jump into the experiences. So over here I have my options if I press my button here. And then if I look, I get the look view. Let's start with Spirited Away. So I look there, and I think I can select it by hitting something here. It's not letting me select it. Oh, okay, well, something loaded. All right, okay. We're doing My Neighbor Totoro first. Collect the umbrella to begin. Oh man, this is weird. Oh, okay, so I have... Oh, cool. I can like look around and then teleport. So I'll just look where I teleport, I guess. I don't know. Where the hell am I? Hello, Mr. Frog. He doesn't say hello. Well, there's my thing. Whoa! Oh my god, okay. Something's wonky. Ah, okay, so I just point. I can point. There we go. I'm figuring this out. I'm gonna go on this. Wait, he stands over on this side, right? So, So yeah, like I said, this is kind of put together for free. Let's see. I've done it again. There we go. I'm gonna figure this out. Ah! Hello, friend. I want to hug him. Let me hug you. Ah, cool. Do you want the umbrella? Yeah, you can have it. Are you looking at me? Can we use it? Can we share it? I'm just I'm hanging with my buddy here, and we're keeping dry. You are huge. Like, whoa. Like the movie, of course you get like a sense of his scale, but like this is incredible. He's right there. Whoa. Whoa, I lost track in there for a second. I'm gonna get weird, guys. Oh. Whoa. Oh, here it comes. Cat bus, cat bus, cat bus. Holy crap. How do we get in? I tell you what, though, a giant cat bus in VR is rather menacing. Can I get in? Oh, are you looking at me? You got your stuff? Can we get in? How do we get in? Did it freeze? Can't tell if anything's broken. Because you aren't moving anymore. Nothing's moving. I can't like stand up in here. I can't my legs are like inside the bus. Ah! All right. Whoa! Oh shit! I was just in his face. Oh, there his eyeballs. Oh, and his tongue. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so is the game? All right, so like there's. All right, hang on. Let's go right here. I think it looks like everything's frozen. I don't know how to make it continue. They're his butt lights. Let's explore over here real quick. Go away. Whoa. Whoa, cool. The Forest Spirits from Princess Mononoke. Well, I'm glad I explored. Hey, dude. What are you doing up there? Whoop. You're wearing a cool hat. Let's wear it backwards. Yeah. So I wonder if this is just like the end. Like it just doesn't do anything after this. It just pauses. That's still pretty cool. Okay, I am going to move on to something else. Let's go ahead and hit this. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. Now it's loading. Whoa, okay. Oh, there's the dude. Whoa. Hey, little puffballs. Whoa. They're like getting on my feet. Hey, that's weird. That's weird. I want to go over here. Whoa. Oh, hang on. Let me turn up the volume. I don't hear anything. You gonna sneak up on him? Man. Okay, let me start this over and see if there's sound. Actually, let me just kind of. Okay, well, there's sound here. Okay, so maybe this isn't the loading. Maybe this is just, yeah. So maybe I can I teleport? I don't think I could teleport in this one. Man, that's cool though. So, Whoa. Oh man, that's cool. I'm just in a cartoon right now. You're gonna run into it? Okay, so it's possible that Spirited Away just doesn't have sound, so this one doesn't have movement. I can't go anywhere, can't jump around, so maybe this one just doesn't have sound. Let's try it. Let's try it one more time. Yeah, I think we might just not have any sound here. This is pretty neat, though. Man. She's like right there. I can like reach out and touch her hand. I wonder if I could reach out and touch the dude's mustache. Whoa. So I wonder if she enters the room or anything. Oh, cool. I want to pull these drawers open. Whoa! Hey, dude, you're enormous. Holy crap. I like feel like a little kid, actually. Like I feel like her height. Yeah, we're like almost the same height. Okay, I'm taller than her, but I'm like not that much taller. And he's gigantic. God, it's weird how it can like change your sense of self like that. It's almost like an interactive screensaver. I mean, no one ever claimed that this was a real full-fledged thing. I mean, it's free. You can download it now. I'll put a link in the description as well as on gamesbeat.com. I think we're going to wrap up. This is just kind of a quick thing. Dude keeps looking at me. Oh, dude, your nails situation is jacked. You gotta clip these babies, man. Ladies don't like that. It is a little bit frustrating in VR when you like get to like a ladder like this and there's nothing you can do. That's not something many people have solved or anything, but it is just like something you're like, oh, it's right there. I just want to climb up there and like tap him on the shoulder. Although he's huge, so really I don't. I'm lying. He scares me a little bit. Yep, he keeps looking at me. Let's see if I can mess with his food. No. Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay, yeah, I think that's going to wrap it up. Let's see. where I'm at. Okay, Jeff Grubb, GamesBeat, thanks for watching. This was a kind of just a quick tour of, actually let me just back out. Oh, let me zoom over here. There we go. So yeah, gamesbeat.com for more. Just a quick tour of this whole experience from like Studio Ghibli films. He just added this one, the developer of this. He just added the house, moving castle. So maybe he'll add more as we go along. But it's pretty insane to just explore these places and just be inside them. Things you see on the television. And especially something like as fantastical as an animated film. To sort of have the ability to explore this is incredible. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Gamesbeat.com for more. See you later. You're over here, aren't you? See you later. Check you out next time. Bye.